Hey, what up guys? Check this out. Can you believe this? All this damage from the wind. Knocked my fence down, threw these trash cans everywhere, knocked my barbecue over, threw the cat house over, and there's no point in even putting it up because you'll see why. It's not the wind. This is not the wind. But yeah, look at this. The neighbor's tree fell down. Unreal, man. This is crazy.
Most people with good manners do not.
And of course I spilled some primer, plumbing primer, in a box. That shit stinks.
Change reality. If you understand that that's what they're about,
woo!
Much of what they do is not acceptable, but it'll be.
So I'm gonna go down, go get look at a job real quick, and then we'll go around town and look at all the destruction, man. It's gonna be crazy. Look where this tree came down onto this freaking car. Look at this. Holy crap! Look at the size of that tree that came down on it. Holy cannoli! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! That's crazy. Yeah, look at the. Look at the street lights. It's gonna be dusty through here. Crazy. So what up, guys? So just getting one job going here, and I just wanted to show you this destruction or whatever over here. I'm on West Colorado. Probably like 20th Street or so, but check out these trees and stuff that are falling over. Everybody's doing all this work and trying to clean up, but there's this one street that I was going to show you. It's crazy. Yeah, look at over here. Looks like a hurricane, man. Look at all this. Look at all these trees that are falling. Holy cannoli. My goodness. You're like, well, how come I don't roll up the window or roll down the window? Alright. All you're going to hear is wind. Look at that. Holy shit. And people got lucky that didn't fall like that one downtown. That you know, the whole tree fell down on that lady, or lady or truck, dude's truck. Yeah, look at this. Look at these neighborhoods; they're just annihilated. Trying to put their fence back up. Shit. Big old tree in the fence. Holy. Look at this, holy cannoli. Ooh, that one hit the house. Yeah, that's no good. Crazy storm. You can see, oh my God, look at that one on the house. Oh man, that's a bummer. Yeah, these old trees, they just, this side of town, there's a lot of older trees that, you know, are old. They're like, you know, 70, 80 years old from the neighborhood, you know, because the neighborhood's older, and, you know, they get old, and they get, you know, they've been hurt from droughts and stuff like that, and they just get weak, and off the, you know, ground they go. But yeah, you can just see it's just one damaged area after another. What's weird though is like all the parks seem good. Pretty crazy, guys. Pretty crazy. Yeah, it's definitely hurricane winds. I mean, 95 miles an hour is what they're saying, so pretty horrendous. But we'll go down a couple other neighborhoods. We're just gonna do some zooming around today. Was gonna try to get some work done, but a lot of places are closed just due to the power's out. So, because the wind's so bad. Yeah, this big old tree fell down over here. Look at that tree. Look at the size of, look at this guy. Holy shit. And look at the size of this thing. Holy crap. Unreal, guys. Over here too. A bunch of them. Yeah, look at this. So this is just east of downtown. And as you can tell, there is a lot of damage from this windstorm. All the way on the house. Unreal. But yeah, I'm still looking for gas. Like almost all the gas stations are closed for some oddball reason. Maybe because of liability. I'm not sure. It's weird, but I'm about to run out. Like I'm on E, past E. I hope this place has some gas, dude, because I need to get it like right now. Yeah, come and go. And we got some pretty funny gas stations here. They're called come and go. So you come and then you go. You go, you come, and you go. So yeah, we're on the west side of town. From downtown, you can see another big tree fell down. There hasn't been much that I've seen on this side of town. As far as wind damage or anything like that, but yeah, it's pretty bad. Up north, I went up north and there wasn't anything up there. I didn't really see anything. Still heavy winds, but didn't really see anything that was like damage from wind or whatever. But we're just cruising. Hey, what up, guys? Check this out. Holy shit. Totally uprooted. Big old trees too. Wow, it's quite amazing. Quite amazing. Yeah, those big pines, they don't do good in the wind. They just have so much mass. They catch so much air, you know, that they topple over. Anytime it gets like that, you know. Pretty crazy. Pretty crazy. And of course, you know, that happened with, you know, happened to happen where they fell on the house. There was a couple of them where they were down on the house, so that would suck. That would suck, especially a prize pine or whatever, you know. But what do you do? But yeah, I had to run out, grab a couple things, but just wanted to show that that little, you know, those trees knocked down there. Pretty crazy out still. The wind is just howling. But I'm gonna work on trying to get these. The fuck! That whole roof is peeled up. Holy jeez! Yeah, that roof was totally peeled up. Yeah, and right here, see another pine. Another big pine knocked down. Totally hit that car. Yeah, it's crazy.